Little things here. What do you think about it? I know what you think about it. What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking a little bit of a ride randomly, but I spotted a Saab. It's a 9.5. It has 133,000 miles on it, and the gentleman is selling it for just a few $100. And the deal is he's selling it with some, obviously in fair condition, and he's advertising it either as a parts car or a secondary car that somebody, whatever, if you can fix it, TLC. So anyways, we got jumper cables, and I also have my scanner. We're gonna check this thing out, see if it's something that I can fix up, bring it back to life, save it, and then maybe keep it or sell it or something. So we'll see you over there. Car's at 133,000. It's been sitting for 2 years. Apparently there's some little things wrong, so we're gonna check it out now. The guy that has the car here has started it a couple times, so apparently it starts. We're gonna see. He's got it charged up, and it's a little messy, but you know, nothing that isn't fixable. You know, the inside is a mess from the dog. Again, not anything we can't really fix. It looks like this just needs some fresh stitching, and it smells like a Saab. Oh, we got a busted windshield. Let's see. All right, just some little things here. What do you think about it? I know what you think about it. Standard dog rust. Man. It's got oil in it?
Yeah, it's got oil in it.
You want me to start it?
Go ahead.
Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see when's the last time it was started?
Months ago.
Months ago, okay. Let's see if we can get this thing running.
Hold on. Let me pop these for you.
I'm not getting any power. Oh, there we go.
Yep. Just had to put the terminals on.
My bad. What's up with the title situation?
Good Jersey title.
Okay. 2018. Changed out the light bulbs. You want me to hook a jumper cable up?
This one's got a jumper too.
Okay. Well, at least it turned.
Alright, give it a shot. Nope.
All right, it's there, but see if it goes this time. It's been a few minutes. Fired right up. The clicking noise. When's the last time it started? Months ago. Doesn't sound that bad. Sounds like the flex pipe is bad. Just give that a few minutes to run. See you here in a minute. No fan motor. We're gonna scan the computer as well. Hi.
The window works.
That they do.
Try the other one. Oh, they work.
Airbags are working.
It's so funny
They're
how
probably worth more than a car.
it's so funny how every Saab loses the middle piece.
Yep.
The
That's a very
shifter.
common. It's a very common thing.
Yeah.
Remember this on mine?
Yeah.
I had one. I put over 200,000 on it.
It's an added
But-
feature, right?
It was. It's getting hung up on this thing.
Yep, as it is.
All right, guys. Grand voyage here. Leaky exhaust. Shifts normal. Sitting is the worst thing for the car, huh?
Yeah. Those flat spots are nasty.
Yeah. Transmission shift's nice, but it's cold, so hard to tell without really driving it.
I don't think he's ever had a problem with the trans.
Yeah,
No.
it seems good.
Yeah. He didn't beat on it. He actually drove it pretty good.
Did it?
Yeah. Normal.
Get the rust off those things, but I don't even think that's gonna help. They're definitely warped.
Make a right.
Left, right. Sport mode works. Let's check it out. It's already better. The flat spots.
Yeah.
left, guys. We just got a good deal on that car. I paid a very, very nice price. It does need a lot of work, but it's nothing that we can't handle. I think I can take care of it all. And I'm gonna go do some research this week on everything that I can see that was wrong with the car. The number one thing that was wrong with the car that I'm not 100% sure on, but I pulled the code off of the ACC unit, was 1-11. 1 on the left side, 11 on the right side. What seems to be going on is that the system is actually not blowing. The blower motor is not running. So it either tells me that the blower motor is blown, or there's a relay that is no good, which in those cars it could be either or. So I need to figure out what that code is. So this week I'm going to be just analyzing everything. In terms of the engine, it seems good. It doesn't have a check valve in it, so I'm gonna be pulling the oil pan. We're gonna make sure there's no sludge, because that check valve and lack of pressure in the engine could cause the sludging, which could blow the engine. So the engine's running fine, everything seems to be good. So in order to be preventative, for me to go and take an hour and a half, 2 hours and knock out that oil pan makes nothing but sense, peace of mind. So we're gonna do that, clean that all up. I'm also gonna pull the valve cover off, put a new gasket in there, inspect the top end of the engine, check out the chain, make sure the chain looks good, and just really kind of clean it all up, make it look pretty again, make sure the inside is good. And then in terms of cosmetics, the body work on the outside was good. Everything looked like standard 9.5 wear and tear. You know, the dog legs, which we can repair. It looks like they put like an anti-rust on there already. So, you know, maybe we can fill that in with some body bondo, anti-rust preventative to try to stop it from rusting more, and just go from there. Put it back together, put a little paint on it, and buff it out, and she'll be back on the road and good. It does need brakes. Suspension seemed fine. It may need an engine mount or two. I don't know, maybe not. We'll check that out. But either way, they're pretty cheap and easy to fix, so I'm not worried about it. Little bit of an exhaust leak, as you heard. Not worried about that either. We can get that addressed. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. That's the next project for the channel. I hope you guys approve. I hope you guys like, share, subscribe, drop a comment below. This guy was literally selling this car as a parts car, so I'm really happy to save this Saab. I think it's a really great opportunity to get into this car cheap, and you know, maybe I'll sell it to one of you guys. You guys let me know if you're interested. It's a 2003 Saab 9.5. It runs really beautifully. Transmission was smooth, as you saw in the video clip. And one last thing is it only has 133,000 miles, so it's really a low mileage Saab for the age, which is also exciting. So see you guys next time. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment below, check out the merch plug below. You guys are always awesome. You guys rock. Saab world, Saab community is amazing, and we're gonna just keep sobbing. See ya.